Champ. Term book. Class 5th. Second term.
Mathematics. Chapter 1. Percentage. A percentage is a way of expressing a number as a fraction of 100. It literally means per hundred. The word comes from the Latin percentum, meaning by the hundred. The symbol. We use the symbol percent to represent a percentage. The concept. Visualizing per 100. The best way to visualize a percentage is to imagine a grid of 100 small squares. If we shade in some of those squares, the shaded area represents the percentage. The 100 grid concept. This central diagram shows a large square composed of 100 smaller ones. It establishes the baseline. The whole grid is 100%. Example 1, 25%, on the left, 25 of the 100 squares are shaded blue. This visually defines 25%. The image explicitly shows its conversion. Fraction, 25 100ths decimal. 0.25 Example 2, 75%. On the right, 75 of the 100 squares are shaded green, defining 75%. Fraction, 75 100ths decimal. 0.75. The relationship with fractions a percentage is actually just a specialized fraction where the denominator, the bottom number, is always 100. Percentages, fractions, and decimals are simply three different ways of writing the exact same value. 1. Percentage, 25%. Fraction, with 100 as denominator. 25 100ths. Simplified fraction, 1/4. Decimal, 0.25. Second example. Percentage, 50%. Fraction, with 100 as denominator. 50 100ths. Simplified fraction, 1/2. Decimal, 0.5. Third example. Percentage, 75%. Fraction, with 100 as denominator. 75 100ths. Simplified fraction, 3/4. Decimal, 0.75. Fourth example. Percentage, 100%. Fraction, with 100 as denominator. 100 100ths. Simplified fraction, 1. Decimal, 1.0. Converting fractions into percentages. To convert a fraction into a percentage, you are essentially determining how many parts out of 100 the fraction represents. There are two primary methods to achieve this. Method A. The equivalent fraction method. This method works best when the denominator can be easily multiplied to reach 100. The goal. Find a number that, when multiplied by the denominator, equals 100. The action. Multiply both the numerator and the denominator by that number. Example. Convert 3/5 to a percentage. Then 5 multiply by 20 equals 100. Then, multiply top and bottom by 20. So 3 multiply by 20 both divided by 5 multiply by 20. Then answer is 60 divided by 100. Result is 60%. Method B. The multiplication method. This is a universal method that works for any fraction, including those that do not divide evenly into 100. The action. Multiply the fraction by 100%. Example. Convert 7/8 to a percentage. 7/8 multiply by 100%. Then 7 divided by 8 equals to 0.875. Now 0.875 multiply by 100% equals to 87.5%. Metric measures as percentage. Percentages are frequently used in the metric system to express a smaller unit as a portion of a larger base unit. To calculate this, you place the smaller unit as the numerator and the larger unit as the denominator, ensuring both are in the same unit of measure. Then multiply by 100. First metric measure. Length, meters. Concept. 1 centimeter is 1% of 1 meter. Calculation. Since 1 meter equals 100 centimeters, the fraction is 1/100th equals 0.01, which equals 1%. Second metric measure. Mass, grams. Concept. Determining what percentage 10 grams is of 1 kilogram. Calculation. 1 kilogram equals 1000 g. 10 1,000ths equals 1/100th equals 1%. Third metric measure. Capacity, liters. Concept. 10 milliliters as a percentage of 1 liter. Calculation. 1 liter equals 1000 milliliters. 10 1,000ths equals 1/100th equals 1%. Fourth metric measure. Time, hours. Concept. 18 minutes as a percentage of 1 hour. Calculation. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. 18/60ths equals 3/10 equals 0.30. 0.30 times 100 equals 30%.